Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking you around this approved used 2024 model Volkswagen T-Cross Life that does come complemented in the stunning metallic clear blue paintwork. It does house your 1-litre TSI engine and manual transmission, making it an ideal nippy city upgrade with plenty of top features all round, including your parking sensors for those awkward manoeuvres, LED headlights for enhanced visibility and added protection with your power folding wing mirrors and stylish alloy wheels. The boot offers plenty of space for daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery offers comfort all round with access to your central power outlets. Stepping into the front, you do have your multifunctional steering wheel for added convenience, with access to your digital cockpit, central touch display screen, and again the comfort of a full cloth trim. This is followed by seamless navigation with your various audio controls on the steering wheel and options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying vital driving data and the added bonus of your adaptive cruise control and limiter features. Moving across, you do have your app connect to stay connected on the go, and of course various radio stations to stay endlessly entertained. Of course, you do have your on-screen vehicle information and the activation of your parking sensors to aid you into those tricky parking spots, reducing the chance of any minor bumps. And just below you will find your main climate controls, power outlets and the convenience of your central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.